If you're searching how to buy shares of ServiceTitan Inc., this short guide will walk you through the basic steps. ServiceTitan provides field service management software, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker TTAN, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TTAN to find ServiceTitan. Make sure you select the listing that matches the NASDAQ TTAN ticker to locate the correct stock. Open the asset page to view basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the company name and TTAN ticker on the page to ensure it is the correct security. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be pending until it opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio view. For more resources and the eToro registration link, check the description below.